Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel SS Analysis. First of all, I would like to tell you that if you are watching this video first time, subscribe my YouTube channel to see my upcoming videos on analysis of different commodities and equity indices too. And second important thing is to watch this video till its end to understand this thoroughly. To take your decision, your one like will motivate me to be regular in working more hard for you. Let us start the analysis of the natural gas futures prices on January 23rd, 2019. Today, I find that after a steep fall, natural gas futures prices have finally found support at the level of $3.038, and since then, after touching their lowest level, here you can see recovery above this uptrend line. No doubt that still the natural gas futures have to come out of the bearish sentiment zone. Let me show you that this is the chart which I describe as my net gas sentiments meter, where I find that the natural gas futures price levels define the sentiments of the masses who are trading in natural gas futures. So here I find that since I find that the natural gas futures are continuously on the uptrend move, I will call it a consolidation before a reversal. I find a sharp reversal is on the card before the closing today. So let us see this in 1 hour for a more clear view. Here you can see that after touching the lowest level on yesterday's fall at the level of $3.045, natural gas have finally found support, and since then we have seen a good recovery in natural gas futures prices. Here I find that the natural gas bulls have already entered in the scenario and they are ready to get bargain hunting at the current levels above this uptrend line. I find the natural gas futures price look ready for a sharp upward move before today's closing, and I find that we will see an upward move in an hourly chart above this first resistance, because the 20 days exponential moving average has already come above the 20 days exponential moving average, and the price is well supported above the 9 days moving average. No doubt that the bears are applying their thrust to keep the natural gas futures prices at the lower levels, but I find that the equal thrust is also being applied from the natural gas bulls, and I find that before today's closing we will find a steep upward move in an hourly chart to cross this level above the level of $3.217, which will confirm the continuation of this uptrend during this week. And no doubt we will find the natural gas futures prices to move towards the level of $3.466 before the announcement of natural gas inventory tomorrow. Let us see this move in 4-hour chart once again to analyze the move of the natural gas futures. I find that the natural gas futures price in a 4-hour chart in my net gas sentiments meter, I find that the natural gas futures look ready for a breakout from the current levels to enter inside this decisive zone. So once the natural gas futures prices successfully inside this decisive zone, we find a sharp upward move from here on January 24th before the announcement of natural gas inventory. So I find that our next target will be $3.386. Once we close above the level of $3.333, it will ensure that the natural gas bulls are still in command of natural gas futures to move above this decisive zone. So my next target will be above the level of $3.444 during this week. Friends, yesterday the video on my YouTube channel, which was on the movement of natural gas ETF U-gauge prices, where we have found this was the chart which I analyzed for the movement of natural gas ETF U-gauge, where I found the formation of a cup with the handle. I find that the natural gas ETF U-gauge has already found a strong base at the level of $45, and now it looks ready for a bounce for their first target. But I find on the response from the readers that most of them misjudge this U-gauge analysis with natural gas analysis. So friends, please concentrate what I say. Listen to me very carefully because from now I will give my analysis on natural gas futures and the natural gas ETF too, because the natural gas futures may be clearly defined with the movement of natural gas futures with the movement of natural gas ETFs. So here you can see that this formation of a green candle above this uptrend line ensures the continuity of this uptrend till the closing of January 23rd, and before that I find that we will definitely try to cross this first immediate resistance at the level of $3.202, which will ensure that the natural gas future price will remain intact on an uptrend voyage. Now I find that till the natural gas futures remain above this uptrend line, the natural gas futures will not be under the bearish pressure. Till they maintain above this uptrend line, I find that natural gas bulls will try to move upward. So let us have a look at the movement of natural gas futures amid this zone, because this zone will provide a decisive action today. So I find that once we see a sharp upward move above this first resistance, we will find the continuation of uptrend in natural gas futures. So thank you friends, thanks for watching this video. Thank you.